ChatGPT took the whole internet by storm, but 99% of users don't know. Just kidding. In this video, you will learn how to create online forms, surveys, or quizzes by using the ChatGPT plugin, Forms.app AI. Forms.app AI has already helped thousands to create any type of form online, from a feedback survey to a job application form for your website. So let's get right into it and start this off by installing the Forms.app AI plugin. First, go to ChatGPT and log into your account. Make sure you have the plugins feature enabled. Then, choose ChatGPT 4 and Plugins. You'll see that it now says No Plugins Enabled. Click on this button and go to ChatGPT's plugin store. Type Forms app and simply hit the Install button. Now all you have to do is enter a prompt, such as Generate a freelance writer job application form. Once you send the message, it generates a link for your form. Here, you have all the questions included in your form. Feel free to change them or add new ones. You can also make changes to your prompt and rerun it here. Make sure to customize the design so it represents you better. Lastly, click on Share and create an account if you don't have one. It only takes a few seconds. Open your form again and simply choose a sharing option, such as posting on social media, using the link, or embedding on a website. That's it! You can now create your own forms and surveys in seconds with Forms.app AI. Install Forms.app AI plugin today, or try it out for free by clicking the link in the description. Watch other tutorials to create awesome forms without any hassle or coding.